Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to talk about Grok, which is the latest AI model from XAI. But I'm not going to do it like how other content creators do it. Instead, what I'll do in this video is that I'll ask Grok what I should cover, do a demo to show you what it is capable of, and let you be the judge on whether you want to check this out or not. So before I begin, I want to share a little bit about the AI landscape here in Hong Kong. So right now, as you can see here on the screen, this is the current top chart here in Hong Kong when it comes to the most free app download. You can see that the number one is DeepSeek AI Assistant, and number two is already Grok AI Assistant, which is the one that I'll be showing you today. And the fourth one is the AI Assistant from Tencent, which also uses DeepSeek model or even Tencent's Hunyuan model as well. And then the sixth one is also another AI Assistant from ByteDance. So this is how the AI landscape looks like. You'll notice if you're from other countries, we do not have access to Gemini AI, Meta AI, and even like OpenAI. The reason for that is that the service is not available here in Hong Kong. But the reason why I want to do this video about Grok is Grok is an AI platform that is currently offering a service in Hong Kong. So without further ado, let us begin. So here's the interface of the website. I wanted to let you know that I'm not using a paid version. This is a free version, so I do believe that there might be some limitations. So as you can see on the interface, there is deep search, which basically helps search the internet, look at different sources, advanced search and reasoning. And then there's also the think function, which will show you what is happening behind the scene when the AI is reasoning to help fulfill the task that you give them. If you look at the bottom, you can see there's the research, brainstorm, analyze data, create image, and code function. So I think deep search and think, if you are familiar with DeepSeek, you will see they have also similar functions like that. Here on Grok, you can upload attachments, I believe, in order to help analyze data. And then as you can see here, there's Super Grok. So if you want to have more prompts per day, you can subscribe to it. But right now, we will be able to use Grok, which is the latest AI model from XAI, okay? So as I said at the beginning of this video, what I'll do is that I will ask Grok to basically generate everything that you see in this video and just show you the whole experience without doing much editing to let you be the judge or whether you want to check it out or not, okay? So here's the prompt that I gave Grok. I am a YouTube content creator and I want to create a video about Grok. I will share what you generate in this video, okay? First of all, I want them to generate bullet points on what I should share with my audience about Grok, okay? They could be about its features, how you can use it, or the models compared to other models, okay? And then number two is that I want them to look at the web and see how many people are making web-based games using Grok, okay? Grok, okay? And generate a web-based game for me as a demo, okay? So what I did right now is I have a website, and then I can actually update the script here so that we can see how does it look like, okay? And then what Grok will do is that they will generate a web-based game for me as a demo, and I ask them to generate the full game, right? Then I will ask Grok to generate an image, which is a 16:9 aspect ratio for the video's thumbnail, okay? And you will also provide the YouTube title video, fingers crossed, I hope it works, and description that is optimized and would encourage views and capture the viewer's attention, something that a YouTube marketer or specialist would do, okay? And then I ask Grok, do you understand this? We can do this step by step. So without further ado, let us just prompt this and see how it goes. So now as you can see, Grok is already searching X and also searching 20 plus website pages. So it's actually very fast and it's already generating its result. So let us go through this, okay? Yes, I understand your request. I'm excited to help you create an engaging YouTube video about Grok, okay? So let's look at step one, which is the bullet points, okay? Here are some of the bullet points you can share with your audience, covering its features, potential uses in comparison to other AI models, okay? So Grok is the latest AI model from XAI, launched in February 2025, so it's relatively new. Designed to push the boundaries of reasoning, problem solving, and creativity. It's built by Elon Musk's team at XAI. It is trained on a massive supercomputer with 200,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, making it one of the most powerful AI ever created. And one of the standout features is advanced reasoning, so it excels at breaking down complex problems step by step, perfect for math, science, and coding challenges. It has a deep search function, which is a built-in tool that scours the web in real time, which you just saw generating this output, and delivering detailed research report faster than traditional searches. and it has a game development power. It can generate fully functional web-based games from simple English prompts, no coding skills required or needed. And it has a think mode, and it takes extra time to think through tough questions, boosting accuracy or tricky tasks. And it also has a big brain mode, provide deeper, more comprehensive answers by analyzing problems thoroughly. So how your audience can use it. So like me, if you are a content creator, you can use it to write script, brainstorm video ideas, or even generate SEO optimized YouTube description. So we'll see if this hack works. If you're seeing this video, it means that maybe that description is helpful. Learning and problem solving, get help with homework, coding projects, or understanding complex topics like physics or history. Help you with game design, create custom browser games for fun, or even share with your own audience. Research made easy, like use deep search to dig into trendy topics or niche without hours of manual Googling. Oh, interesting. So the way that it's saying this is quite interesting. So free access. So if you have an X account, it's available to all X users with enhanced features for premium and super growth subscribers, okay? So right now, I actually have a Gmail account, and I just use that Gmail account to log in grok.com, okay? So that's how you can check it out. You can download the app as well. How it compares to other models, okay? To ChatGPT, deep search and reasoning often outpace its speed and depth, especially for research and coding tasks. Compared to Claude 3.5 Sonnet, users report it edges out Claude in reasoning benchmarks and creative tasks like game design, which we'll check it out later. And then compared to Gemini, it shines a massive context window, 1 million tokens, and real-time web access, okay? And that its unique edge is built from scratch by XAI in just 92 days, which is actually quite impressive. It's a fresh contender that's already challenging industry giants, okay? Why it matters? It is game changer for creators, students, hobbyists, and then giving people power to access to AI, which I think is interesting because there's a lot of tools here in Hong Kong where we don't have access, but Grok is giving you that access. So it's also quite interesting. AI plans for a gaming studio with upcoming voice model hints at a future where Grok could redefine entertainment and interaction. So this is basically the overview from Grok. I think it's actually interesting in how it was able to have certain point of view or say certain things like, oh, you don't need to do manual Googling, but you can use AI to do that. And it is a valid thing because in this search, it was able to look at all those sources that we just saw without you having going through like doom scrolling or just scoring this Google search. But other platforms also can do that, right? So I think, but it was actually quite a fast response that you saw live here right now. So the next thing is, let's do a web-based demo using Grok V, right? So I asked Grok to do a research on what other people are building with Grok, okay? And then based on available information, people are leveraging Grok V to create web-based games in remarkable ways, right? So these are some key points like, oh, it's all done using like prompts, you can prototype really quickly, there's a creative flexibility, and no coding required. So inspired by this, let's see what we will be doing, right? Grok will be doing a simple yet fun space dodger game. It is a web-based game where players control a spaceship to dodge falling asteroid with a score tracker, and this showcases its ability to generate playable content quickly, okay? Alright, so here's the HTML code that is generated by Grok. What I would do is that I'll copy this code, go to an index.html file, which I have prepared on my server, paste the code, and then save it, okay? And then go to the respective website. And here's the game. And now it is indeed a asteroid avoiding game, which is done really quickly by Grok with an interesting design. And you can see how you can use this to build a MVP in a very short time, right? So that's pretty much it. So now let us continue to step 3, okay? So step 3, thumbnail, title, and description, right? Before I generate the thumbnail details, I need to confirm, would you like me to proceed with designing the thumbnail image concept now? Since I can't generate image directly without your confirmation, I'll provide a detailed description for a thumbnail along with optimized title and description. Let me know when you're ready. Okay, for now, here's a preview of what's coming, right? The thumbnail concept is here, and then the title is Grok V, the AI revolution you can play with, description packed with keywords and a hook to draw viewers in, okay? Confirmed. Let's proceed with step 3. And let's see how it responds, okay? So now, Grok is generating this, saying, oh, this is a prompt where you can submit it, okay? And then now it's generating this whole timestamps and description, okay? Alright, so I personally think that this won't be 100% usable for like a YouTube video description. This timestamps will have to be updated manually, but we can do that after this recording. What we can also do is feed it to an image generator, right? So what I would do is that I will probably copy this, okay, which is all provided by Grok, and then have a new chat, create image, draw like this. Okay, let's try, okay? And see how it goes, which is a separate chat, which the prompt is provided by Grok. So Grok can generate images nowadays. So let's see if it's able to use this to do it. This is interesting. The words at least are something that we could see. So maybe let's use this and then key myself on top of it, okay? But it's interesting because it says Grok 3 in bold futuristic white font on the top left, and it was able to do that, right? Bottom right, which is AI Revolution Unleashed. So this did better in punchy yellow text, but this one is slightly readable compared to this one, which has the interesting. I can't open this image right now. Here it is, which has the text that is not as readable. And one thing that I think is pretty cool about Grok is when you prompt an image, you can continue prompting it. Like, oh, what if this image is during a meteor shower? And then it will use this reference and then generate something accordingly, right? I'm not sure why it's taking some time to generate a second photo, but I'm not, could it be a subscription issue? I'm now using a free version or so on, but at least you can see within this period of time how my experience with this is, right? So why don't we go back to our chat, which is the YouTube video, okay? What I'll do is that I will use this title and then post it as a YouTube video and also use this on it as well and see how it goes. So if you're watching this video, you are actually part of the experiment of how the video would do when it comes to that, when help capturing the YouTube content and so on, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any comments and thoughts, or if you have used Grok to create something really cool, which I've seen people doing really cool 3D stuff, but you do need an understanding of things like Three.js and other integrations that you can use to build those, or to prompt Grok to do a relevant game. But I think it's worthwhile trying and checking things out, right? I do want to share with you that once you generate the image, so far it only generated one image for the second one, right? There is a Grok logo here, okay? So yeah, I'll see how I can use this and post it. So see you in the next video.